Welcome to Kottayam, a land where the vibrant tapestry of life unfolds amidst a backdrop of emerald green. Here in the heart of Kerala, known as God's own country, lies a city that captivates the soul with its tranquil backwaters, verdant hills, and a cultural heritage as rich and fragrant as the spices that perfume its air. Join me, dear viewers, as we embark on a journey to uncover the hidden gems of Kottayam, the land of letters, where nature's artistry and human endeavors intertwine to create a symphony of beauty and wonder. Kottayam, a city nestled amidst the verdant landscapes of Kerala, is a testament to nature's artistry. This picturesque town is a harmonious blend of lush greenery, serene backwaters, and rolling hills, making it a paradise for nature lovers and explorers alike. Here, the legendary backwaters of Vembanad Lake stretch as far as the eye can see, creating a mesmerizing panorama that captivates the soul. This labyrinthine network of canals and lagoons reflects the azure sky, offering a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Glide silently along these tranquil waterways and you'll witness a world teeming with life. The gentle sway of houseboats and the rhythmic lapping of water create a symphony of peace and serenity. The air hums with the gentle drone of dragonflies, their iridescent wings catching the sunlight as they dance above the water lilies. These delicate creatures add a touch of magic to the already enchanting scenery. Tiny jewel-toned kingfishers, perched on the bows of fishing boats, patiently await their next catch. Their vibrant colors stand out against the serene backdrop, a testament to the rich biodiversity of the region. And as the sun begins its descent, casting long shadows across the water, the sky erupts in a blaze of orange and pink, a breathtaking spectacle that signals the end of another day in paradise. The sunsets here are nothing short of magical, painting the sky with hues that seem almost otherworldly. But Kottayam's natural beauty extends far beyond the backwaters. The inland areas reveal a different yet equally captivating side of this region. Venture inland, and you'll find yourself amidst rolling hills carpeted in a vibrant mosaic of rubber plantations, their dark green leaves shimmering under the tropical sun. These plantations are not just a visual treat, but also a vital part of the local economy. These plantations, a testament to Kottayam's rich agricultural heritage, are a sight to behold, their geometric rows stretching as far as the eye can see. The meticulous arrangement of trees creates a stunning visual pattern that is both orderly and beautiful. And then there are the Western Ghats, a majestic mountain range that forms a dramatic backdrop to this idyllic landscape. These mountains are a haven for trekkers and nature enthusiasts, offering a myriad of trails and breathtaking views. Here, shrouded in mist and cloaked in emerald forests, lies a world of hidden waterfalls, cascading down moss-covered cliffs, and secret pathways leading to breathtaking vistas. The Western Ghats are a treasure trove of natural wonders waiting to be explored. It is a place where one can truly escape the hustle and bustle of city life and reconnect with the raw, untamed beauty of the natural world. Kottayam, with its diverse landscapes and serene environments, offers a sanctuary for those seeking peace and a deeper connection with nature. Kottayam's lush landscapes provide a sanctuary for a remarkable diversity of flora and fauna. Nestled in the heart of Kerala, this region is a living testament to nature's resilience and beauty. The region's tropical climate, nourished by abundant rainfall, creates an ideal environment for life to flourish in all its forms. The monsoon rains, in particular, breathe life into the soil, rejuvenating the forests and filling the rivers and streams. Step into the heart of its dense forests and you'll be greeted by a symphony of sounds. The rustling of leaves, the distant call of animals, and the gentle hum of insects create a natural orchestra that is both soothing and invigorating. The air resonates with the calls of exotic birds, their vibrant plumage a stark contrast to the deep green foliage. These birds, with their myriad colors and patterns, add a splash of vibrancy to the verdant landscape. Look closely and you might spot a Malabar grey hornbill, its distinctive casque a symbol of the Western Ghats. This bird, with its unique appearance, is a true marvel of evolution, or a flock of crimson-backed sunbirds, their iridescent feathers catching the light as they flit between the branches. These tiny birds, with their dazzling colors, are a delight to watch as they go about their daily activities. But it's not just the birds that call these forests home. The dense foliage provides shelter to a myriad of creatures, each playing a crucial role in the ecosystem. Keep your eyes peeled, and you might catch a glimpse of a Malabar giant squirrel, its reddish-brown fur blending seamlessly with the bark of the trees. These agile creatures are often seen leaping from branch to branch, showcasing their incredible acrobatic skills. These elusive creatures, endemic to the Western Ghats, are a testament to the region's unique biodiversity. Their presence is a reminder of the intricate web of life that thrives in these forests. As you venture deeper into the undergrowth, you might encounter a family of wild boars, their snorts echoing through the trees as they forage for food. These robust animals play a vital role in the forest ecosystem, turning over the soil and aiding in seed dispersal. And if you're incredibly lucky, you might even spot the tracks of a leopard, a phantom of the forest, its presence a reminder of the wildness that still thrives in this corner of the world. These majestic predators are rarely seen, but their tracks tell a story of their elusive existence. Kottayam's rich biodiversity is a testament to the delicate balance of nature. Every species, no matter how small, contributes to the health and vitality of the ecosystem. It's a reminder that we must cherish and protect these precious ecosystems for generations to come. The future of our planet depends on the conservation of these natural treasures. Our journey through Kottayam's natural wonders takes us now to the Periyar Wildlife Sanctuary, a haven of biodiversity nestled in the Cardamom Hills, a short distance from the city. This sanctuary, spread across 925 square kilometers of undulating terrain, is a testament to India's conservation efforts, a place where nature reigns supreme. The sanctuary is a living, breathing example of how human intervention can coexist harmoniously with nature. At the heart of the sanctuary lies the Periyar Lake, a shimmering expanse of water created by a dam built in the late 19th century. This artificial lake, while a marvel of engineering, has become an integral part of the ecosystem, providing a vital water source for the region's wildlife. The lake's serene waters are a lifeline for many species, especially during the dry season. Embark on a boat safari across the lake and you'll be treated to an unforgettable wildlife spectacle. Herds of Indian elephants, their majestic forms reflected in the still water, come to the lake's edge to drink and bathe. Their playful interactions a delight to behold. Watching these gentle giants in their natural habitat is a humbling experience. Keep a watchful eye on the surrounding forests and you might spot a tiger, its orange and black stripes blending seamlessly with the dappled sunlight filtering through the trees. The elusive tiger, a symbol of strength and grace, roams these forests. The Periyar Wildlife Sanctuary is also home to a thriving population of leopards, their elusive nature adding an air of mystery to the forest. These stealthy predators, masters of camouflage, are a rare sight, but their presence is felt throughout the sanctuary. The thrill of possibly encountering one of these magnificent creatures adds to the sanctuary's allure. As you explore the sanctuary's diverse habitats, from evergreen forests to grasslands and montane shola forests, you'll encounter a kaleidoscope of bird life. The air resonates with the calls of over 260 species of birds, their vibrant plumage adding a splash of color to the verdant landscape. Birdwatchers and nature enthusiasts alike will find themselves enchanted by the avian diversity. Kottayam's spiritual heart beats strong, its landscape dotted with ancient temples that stand as testaments to centuries of faith and devotion. Among these sacred sites, the Vaikom Temple stands tall, its towering Gopuram, or entrance tower, a beacon of spirituality that draws pilgrims from far and wide. Dedicated to Lord Shiva, the Vaikom Temple is one of Kerala's oldest and most revered temples, its history steeped in legend and lore. Step inside its hallowed halls and you'll be transported to a realm of peace and tranquility, the air thick with the scent of incense and the sound of chanting. But Kottayam's spiritual significance extends beyond its temples. The city serves as a gateway to Sabarimala, one of the most important pilgrimage sites in India. Every year, millions of devotees embark on a grueling trek through the dense forests of the Western Ghats to reach the Ayyappan temple, located atop Sabarimala Hill. This arduous pilgrimage, undertaken with unwavering faith and devotion, is a testament to the human spirit's enduring quest for spiritual enlightenment. And for those who seek a more accessible spiritual experience, the Ayyappa temple in the heart of Kottayam offers a tranquil haven where one can connect with the divine. Kottayam's temples, each with its own unique history and architectural splendor, are not just places of worship but also centers of art, culture and community, reflecting the city's rich heritage. Kottayam's heartbeat is synchronized with the rhythm of the monsoons, its landscape transforming with the changing seasons. From June to September, the southwest monsoon sweeps in from the Arabian Sea, drenching the land in torrential downpours. Rivers swell, waterfalls thunder, and the backwaters brim with life, their surface shimmering under a leaden sky. This is the season of renewal, a time when the earth rejoices in the life-giving rain. The air is thick with the scent of wet earth and the sound of croaking frogs, a chorus that rises and falls with the intensity of the rain. But as the monsoon recedes, it leaves behind a landscape rejuvenated, its colors more vibrant than ever before. From October to March, Kottayam basks in the warm embrace of the winter sun. The skies are clear, the air is cool and crisp, and the landscape is awash in a palette of greens and blues. This is the perfect time to explore the great outdoors, to go trekking in the Western Ghats, or to simply relax by the backwaters and soak up the tranquility. As spring arrives in March, Kottayam bursts into bloom. The air is filled with the sweet fragrance of jasmine and frangipani, and the trees are adorned with colorful blossoms. This is the season of festivals, a time for celebration and merriment. Whether you choose to visit during the monsoon season, the winter months, or the spring, Kottayam is sure to captivate your senses and leave you with memories to cherish. As our journey through Kottayam draws to a close, we're left with a profound appreciation for this city's unique blend of natural beauty, cultural richness, and spiritual significance. From the tranquil backwaters to the misty mountains, from ancient temples to bustling markets, Kottayam offers a sensory feast that lingers long after you've left its shores. We hope this glimpse into the heart of Kottayam has inspired you to experience its wonders firsthand. So, come, lose yourself in the rhythm of life in this enchanting corner of Kerala and discover the magic that awaits. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel adventures.